Sweet idlis. Idli stuffed with fresh coconut and jaggery. 6 ingredients: 1 cup idli rice, half cup urad dal. Wash and soak the rice and dal for 2 hours. 1 cup grated fresh coconut, half cup jaggery, oil for greasing, 1 teaspoon salt. For the stuffing, on a slow flame mix the fresh coconut and jaggery in a thick bottom pan. Cook till jaggery melts completely. Set aside in a bowl till it comes to room temperature. For the idlis, grind the soaked rice. Grind the soaked dal. Grind the soaked rice and the soaked dal separately. Then mix the two in a bowl. Add salt. Set it aside and let it ferment for 8 to 10 hours. After 10 hours, gently stir the fermented mixture. Grease the idli stands with oil. Put a spoon of the batter in each idli pocket. Now put the coconut and jaggery mixture over the batter. The quantity of the coconut and jaggery mixture depends on how sweet you like your idlis. For sweeter idlis, add more of the mixture. Put the batter again over it. Now place the stand in the steamer. Boil the water in the steamer before placing the stand in it. After 15 minutes, set aside to cool completely. Demold the idlis with a blunt-edged knife. Thank you for watching.